Have you ever wondered what your pet is thinking or how to interpret their feelings? If so, you're not alone. As many pet owners seek to better understand their animal's communication, pets express their emotions through body language, including their eyes, ears, posture, and vocalizations. For instance, a horse might flick its tail to show annoyance, while your dog's tail position can indicate friendliness or aggression. Learning to read these cues, such as a cat's growl signaling upset or a guinea pig's squeal indicating excitement, can strengthen your bond with your pet. Additionally, while pets may not understand every word you say, they can pick up on your tone and body language, making it beneficial to converse with them in a nurturing manner. Ultimately, enhancing your understanding of pet communication can lead to a more harmonious relationship.